There's a major shift happening right now that could affect the future of your retirement savings, and it's one that many retirees are completely missing. But here's the catch. This shift doesn't have to mean compromising your financial security. In fact, you can make a move that'll actually strengthen your position in these uncertain times. Stick around to the end, and I'll share a powerful strategy that could protect your savings without any pressure or gimmicks. Let's dive in. Right now, we're seeing an unprecedented wave of financial instability. Between inflation numbers that refuse to go down, uncertainty in the stock market, and the looming threat of potential recession, many American retirees are starting to question if their current savings strategy is enough to protect them from all the chaos. With rising costs, some retirees are already seeing their IRA and 401k balances lose real value, even if the numbers appear stable on paper. It's frustrating, right? You've worked hard to build your retirement, but it feels like it could all be slipping away in the blink of an eye. But here's the thing. You don't have to watch your hard-earned savings erode any further. There's a simple solution that not only protects your wealth, but could actually grow it during these unstable times. And it's something you may have heard of before, gold IRAs. But let me stop you right there. This isn't some flashy sales pitch. No free silver gimmicks, no high-pressure tactics. Just a straightforward conversation about whether this could be a good fit for you and your goals. Let's talk about why gold IRAs are the smart shift you need to make. In times of economic turbulence, gold has always been a safe haven. The value of gold rises when the value of the dollar weakens. And right now, with inflation at a 40-year high and bank failures making headlines, the dollar is under serious pressure. In fact, just this month, the Federal Reserve raised interest rates again, and the markets are bracing for a potential recession. For retirees with over 100K in their 401k or IRA, the risks are becoming too high to ignore. But here's the truth. By shifting a portion of your savings into a gold IRA, you can protect what you've worked so hard to build without compromising your lifestyle. Here's how it works. A gold IRA allows you to hold physical gold in your retirement account, which adds an extra layer of protection from inflation and market volatility. Instead of watching your IRA or 401k lose value during the next market downturn, you can rest easy knowing that gold's value typically moves in the opposite direction of the stock market. This means that your retirement funds are shielded from the erosion caused by inflation or economic instability. So, how do you take the next step? It's simple. There's a free guide linked in the description that breaks down everything you need to know about gold IRAs, including the top companies, tax benefits, and how you can get started with a minimal investment. This is especially crucial if you've worked hard for your retirement, whether you've got a large IRA or 401k, or just want to protect your nest egg from inflation. But here's what makes this different. This isn't just a sales pitch. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, you'll get a no-obligation, one-on-one consultation to see if a gold IRA is the right fit for your situation. We're not forcing anything. This is all about educating you on your options and helping you decide if this move makes sense for your retirement. I get it. This is a big decision. You've worked your whole life to build up your retirement savings, and you don't want to gamble with it. That's why we take the time to understand your unique needs and give you real answers, not some high-pressure tactics. You'll never be forced into anything, just an honest conversation about how to protect your wealth. The truth is, your retirement deserves to be safe from the constant shifts in the market. If you want to know more about how a gold IRA could be your solution, click the link in the description below. But remember, this guide and consultation are only for those serious about protecting their wealth. We'll put in the effort to help you diversify and make the right choice, but we're only working with retirees who understand the value of safeguarding their future. You've worked hard to build your retirement savings. Now, let's make sure it's protected for the next generation. Click the link below, and let's get started today. No pressure, no obligation, just honest advice. You've earned the peace of mind. Let's protect it together.